Navigating this process is incredibly straightforward. All they need to do is guide themselves to www.immunotec.com. Once there, a simple step awaits. Direct them to the right-hand side of the screen and encourage them to click on My Rewards. This is the portal where they can gain a visual insight into their accumulated credits and their respective expiration dates. It's vital to emphasize that these credits can remain valid for a span of 90 days from the moment of accrual initiation. This timely awareness ensures they fully capitalize on their rewards. Should the goal be to utilize these credits toward your purchases, the process is equally seamless. After you've selected the products of your choice and placed them in your cart, in the upper right-hand corner, a display will showcase the available credit that you have to redeem. This visual cue ensures you're well informed about how to apply your credits to enhance your shopping experience. Afterward, they should finalize the order by selecting the shipping address and clicking on Go to Payment. A pop-up window will appear, allowing them to decide whether they want to redeem their credits or not. The choice is theirs to make. If preferred, they can opt to select Apply Credit. Within this option, they have the flexibility to adjust the redemption value as they see fit, or a specific amount of their choosing. Lastly, they should proceed to select the payment method, which will then display the credit discount that has been applied.